how are you? So today I'll be showing you how to make this fresh lumpia from the Philippines. So instead of using ubod, because I don't have that, I just use a potato. Okay, so let's go and let's get started.
Hello, Tare.
Start by sauteing your garlic, followed by onions. I use red onions in this recipe, and then you can add shrimp and or meat. I added shrimp and ground pork for this recipe. So what we're doing now is we are sauteing our vegetables. The vegetable that I use here is the pre-cut vegetables that you can get from Woolies or from any supermarket, but you can also use any vegetables that you want to add in your fresh lumpia. So just toss them all together and then season them with salt and pepper, and then I added some chicken powder in this as well so I can have that rich flavor. Because I don't have ubod, which is the main ingredients for this recipe, I just use a potato and I just slice them into julienne or long strips, thick strips. So while our vegetable is cooking, let's prepare our lumpia sauce. So in a saucepan, just combine all the ingredients that I listed earlier and then put them on a medium heat and then just mix it all together. And then after that, just wait until it boils. Then add your cornstarch mixture. So I just added the mixture and water together and then mix it into your sauce. Once our sauce is thick, we'll just give it a quick stir and then turn off the heat and let this cool completely. And this is now our lumpia sauce. For our lumpia wrapper, we will start by adding flour into our bowl. And then we'll add the water. Just slightly mix it, give it a stir. And then you can start adding the eggs. Add your salt and oil. And then give it a good stir. Keep stirring the mixture until it's free from lumps and all the ingredients are all incorporated well into our batter. Using a flat pan, make sure that it's hot enough and then add in your butter and then just turn this around to make sure that you evenly distribute your batter, and then you just flip it. Now you have your fresh lumpia wrapper. Continue doing this until all our batter has been cooked and made into a lumpia wrapper, and then we'll start assembling our fresh lumpia. To assemble our fresh lumpia, there's so many ways in doing it. This is how I do it. So I got my fresh lettuce from the garden, and then I just lay it and put my vegetable, sauteed vegetable on top, and then I just roll the wrapper. And this is how it looks like. And then you're gonna add the sauce, and then your peanut and garlic, and that is your fresh lumpia. Hello guys, we're back. So we're finally done with our fresh lumpia. So let's have a taste. So this lettuce. This is fresh from my garden as well. So everything that we've used here are all fresh. The wrapper, we also made that. So that's fresh as well. So let's taste it. So all these ingredients, I will put them in the description box so you can all list the ingredients that you need and you can follow the video. Right. Now I'm missing the Philippines more. So if you haven't subscribed to our channel, please click that subscribe button and the bell next to that so you can be notified every time we post a new video. Okay, so until next time guys, see you, bye!